You are welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, I would like us to look at the various types of rotation and how to derive their respective formulas without struggle. In our previous lesson, we discovered that rotation 90 degrees anticlockwise about the origin will produce the same result as rotation 270 degrees clockwise about the origin. Also, rotation 180 degrees anticlockwise about the origin gives the same result as rotation 180 degrees clockwise about the origin. And finally, rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise about the origin gives the same result as rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. I would like to derive the various formulas for the types of rotations we have. And we'll start with the anti-clockwise rotation. The concept I'm applying is called negate the top concept. And in this concept, we are going to derive the formula for 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation, that of 180 degrees anti-clockwise rotation, and also 270 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. If I have an object point xy and I'm rotating through 90 degrees anti-clockwise, this implies that the x moves down whilst the y moves up. Then I negate the top. So that is what we mean by negate the top concept. And that will produce the image point negative yx. And that is the formula for 90 degrees anticlockwise rotation. To get 180 degrees anticlockwise rotation, we continue the process by moving. This time negative y comes down whilst the positive x moves up, and anytime we are done, we negate the top, and that will produce the new image point negative x negative y, and that gives the formula for 180 degrees anticlockwise rotation. To get the formula for 270 degrees anticlockwise, we continue by moving the negative x down, and this time negative y must be moved up. But remember that the y is negated, and anytime we move it up, we are supposed to negate the top. So negating a negative y will produce positive y, and that forms the new image point y negative x. And that is the formula for 270 degrees anticlockwise rotation. What about the clockwise rotation? Remember, I stated earlier that the formula for 90 degrees anticlockwise rotation is the same as 270 degrees clockwise rotation. So the formula for 270 degrees clockwise rotation is also negative yx. Also, we stated that 180 degrees anticlockwise rotation will produce the same result as 180 degrees clockwise rotation, meaning they are going to have the same formula. So that implies that 180 degrees clockwise rotation will have the formula negative x negative y. And lastly, 270 degrees anticlockwise rotation will also produce the same result as 90 degrees clockwise rotation, which means that 90 degrees clockwise rotation will bear the formula y negative x. So that is how we can derive the various formulas for the types of rotations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.